Hello perlok session pan hakani ka video ngan tip shaki panagaliang jong ka Office of the District Ayush Government of Meghalaya East Kashmir Shillong ki balapandap hai ki pus ki baper jong ka Ayush Society Meghalaya te pila ban yo ya ki adumet kat jong ki lengba ini ki website ibangan sepu abo ka description box ke jonga kata ka bade www.makehealth.gov.in te lagapat ya ki candidates ki bala apply ki post ki baper pin soha ban pick ya ki kerteng la jong hala ki jong ki number of post dan ki post baper ban na phi la yo i ba ka kerteng jong phi kami te pila ban le shim ya kini ki admit kat kata ba sa sam shengi ki candidates nadu ka arpa tarik ubnai me arjar arab sau hadu ka nyau tarik ubnai jun arjar arab sau ha ki kenta trai kam kata ka bumut nadu ka khadwei am hadu sau pm hakine ki centers ki bala betha hangne harum de parlok kini gide kita ki centers lane ki jaka hakaba sam shengi ya ki admit kan ka number 1 kabade ka director of health service room number Alais Pasan Health Complex Lightning Crash Long 3 and nakabenta kipus kiba kani ka office ka sami ki admit kan bade jonga district program manager medical officer ayurveda medical officer homeopathic but district accountant or accountant nang ta nakabenta kipus pion and sweeper pade I can sum up I use drug testing laboratory near Regional Blood Center, GHD Route, Pasteur Institute, Shillong Way. Natanam takapus data entry operator, Jamandar, but midwife, in some admit kan hapok office jangka civil hospital Shillong I use department malaga balai dan third floor OPD building yang ta ka room number ko dai chis paar ayurvedic department bannak benta propose nursing in charge dresser lab technician storekeeper clerk registration clerk cook ward boy ward girl and nursing staff kajaka bansam ya ki admit kan kan deh po civil hospital Shillong ayus department kamala ka balai OPD building homeopathic department but kumjuru nang banca ka post multi-purpose worker but chokidar pade kande hak office jonga civil hospital Shillong ayus department kabde kamala ka balai hi ka OPD building room number chispa handriu kata kabde jonga yoga and neuropathy department Shushu nagaliang jonga office jonga ayus society kalaban benaru luparu ya ki examination dates lane ki tarik tho exam na kata kini ki post ki baper hapo ka district ayush society East Khasi Hills Meghalaya kata kapade hakasngi ka banungkong lane dewon ka date of written test lane ka tarik bantho ya ki exam lane written test kande atnai tarik banai Jun 2009 ka venue kande po nehu mau kan Shillong na ka benda ka post ward boy ward girl kapor sipo am hadu khadwe am ban nadu ka shiba jpm hadu arba jpm pade kande nagabda ki post pion ban hapo Pine Mount School laban Shillong pade kande nagabda ki district program manager district accountant nursing in charge kapor sipo am hadu khadwe am ban nagabda ka post pion pade kande nadu ka shiba jpm hadu ka RPM nangta nakabenta ka jaka jongka government girls higher secondary school Jil Road Shillong pade nakabenta ki ward boy ward girl kata kapor kande sipo am hadu kadwe am banangta ka post pion pade kapor kande CBJPM hadu RPM nangta kajaka kapade hapo ka government boys higher secondary school Jingjiri Shillong namta ki ward boy ward girl kande sipo am hadu kadwe am bat nak mta ka post pion pade kan dei ship GPM adu RPM bat nak mta ka jaka jong ka Sinot Higher Secondary School mau khar Shillong pade shipo em hadu kan em kan dei bentho ya ka post what boy what girl bat nak mta ka post pion pade kan dei ship GPM hadu RPM Nakamenta ka sngi ba ar nani ka day 2 kata ka bdei due to benai Julai jarap sau ka jaka kan dei po ni hu mau kan ro Shillong ka post ka bdei jong chokida registration clerk bat cook kata ka bdei ne du ka por chipo am hadu kadwe am bat nakamta ka post jamada data entry operator bat dressa pade kan dei shibje hadu RPM Kajaka kepada po Pinemount School laban Shillong namta ka Chipo hadu karbui BJM kandi namta ka post nursing staff kan reina kepada ka post storekeeper bat midwife pada kandi shibje hadu PM Kajaka kepada Government Girls Higher Secondary School Jill Road Shillong namta ka Chipo hadu karbui kandi ya ka post nursing staff Shibje hadu RPM pade kandai namta ka post lab technician. Kajaka ka pade hapo ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School Lumjing 3 Shillong. Namta ka post cook but nursing staff kandai aga por shipho hadu khadwe am. Nagbanta ki multi-purpose worker pade kandai shibje hadu RBJPM. Kajaka pade hapo Sinat Higher Secondary School Maukhar Shillong. Shipo hadu khadwe kandai ka post jong medical officer ayurvedic and medical officer homeopathic nangta shibje hadu RBJ pade mdon yaira nangta hakasingi ka balai pade nani ka day 3 kata ka bdi khatlai tri ku banai July ajarap sau ka jaka ka bdi po ni hu ma kun ro Shillong ka post wepa kan tho ha ka por shipo hadu khadwe BJM but shibje hadu RBJ PM pade namdon bantho ya kani ka written exam so namar kata kadau la kerpa di parlok baro ki bla panda bi kini ki post paper pin subha ban site lane wat na ka website jong ka makehealth.gov.in pin siam lane tip hatu ki mi kerteng na em na kamta kita ki post ki ba ki la dia ban apply but unjuru ba kin la ban lichim no ya ki admit card kumbala batha ikiti gitarik haneng shu nagaleng joko office kalapan bana lane kalapan like do yaki number of applicants kiba laisa jet lane kiba la accept nagam kini gide ki post kiba per kaban kong kade namta ki district program manager la pediang hadu arphongut nagam ki nursing in charge san saungut namta ki medical officer ayurveda new phundungut namta ka post midwife rapu prangut nagamta ki medical officer homeopathic arspa khandrungut namta ka post dresser arspa khandai phungut namta ka post lab technician laispa san phui ngut namta ka post storekeeper bat clerk ande lapdiang hadu laispa nyu parngut nagamta ka post registration clerk lapdiang laispa khandai phlaingut namta ka district accountant bat accountant sauspa san phuingut namta ki post cook sauspa nyu khandai namta ki multi-purpose worker drew spa nyu sangut nagamta ka post DEO pade drew spa phuingut namta ka post jamadars chijan ru phuingut nursing staff drew ngut ki sinrang bat ngut ki kanthei kata lajit adu khalai spa nyu khandai ngut namta ki ward boy ward girl lai hajar san spa san khandai ngut chokidar chijar sau spa so parngut sweeper ar hajar druzu pusan ngut namta ki post pion pade sau hajar aspa shphungut bat la khinlang kini ki applicants lane ki nong apply bar khot ki bala padiang lungba kane ka office jong ka youth society iska sehil ka lapoi du khanyo hajar pras pa du ko arngut te kan mau perlok phinle ya kata kumbang laong bat du dunbok ban phin ya pengkrep han ta kan ni ka written test ka ban sapelong ha gete kitari ki bangala de penbena sufi titangkan nehi kublei shubun bal dadon na pneng jupi ki badang tmai kerpat ipi mungkin subha ban ya share like and subscribe ya kan ni ka channel ke jonga kublei shubun Shushu Nagalyang Jongka Ayu Society is Kasihil Meghalaya Kapatha Ru ya ki candidates ki ban wan ban shim ya ki admit kan bikin subha ban wanra harangkat ka ID proof kumjuru bat kawe ka passport size ka badang adoption nane ka ba pila adoption khamslem ru khnang ban kinyo ban attach nane ban penchisha ba pila apply ya kita ki post